Hi boys and girls, how are you today? Very good. Today we are going to talk about beginning sounds. A beginning sound is the first sound that you hear in a word. So we will sound out all of the letters in the words and you need to tell me what letter makes each sound. Are you ready? Okay, make sure you are sitting nicely and listening very carefully. I want to hear all of you saying the letter sounds with your teacher. Okay, let's begin. Our first slide. What is this? Yes, it is a hat. At, hat. What letter makes the sound? Very good. It is the letter H. Letter H makes the sound. What is this? Yes, it is a mop. 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 What letter makes the sound m? Very good. It is the letter M. Letter M makes the sound m. What is this? Yes, it is a bag. B-a-g, bag. What letter makes the sound B? Well done. It is the letter B. Letter B makes the sound B. What is this? Yes, it is an ant. A-n-t, ant. What letter makes the sound A? Very good. It is the letter A. Letter A makes the sound A. What is this? Yes, it is a rat. R-at, rat. What letter makes the sound R? Yes, it is the letter R. Letter R makes the sound R. What is this? Yes, it is the sun. S-a-n, sun. What letter makes the sound S? Well done. It is the letter S. Letter S makes the sound S. What number is this, boys and girls? Correct. It is the number 10. T-e-n. What letter makes the sound T? Well done. It is the letter T. Letter T makes the sound T. Okay, are you ready for our last picture? What is this? Yes, it is a pen. P-e-n. What letter makes the sound P? Well done. It is the letter P. Letter P makes the sound P. Okay, boys and girls, and that's the end of our beginning sounds video. I hope that you are staying happy and healthy at home and that you are being very good for mummy and daddy. See you soon.